and they compared the times. So they each opened the right-handed one and the left-handed. Wouldn't that be dependent? Is that even an answer?
Is this like the Montessori school question we had way back? And I thought it was matched, but that was independent. I don't know.
Okay, I can't get it. Okay, they compared the time that it took them to open the lock before, or the right-handed one compared to the time it took them to open the left-handed one. So they're comparing each individual's time for 2 different locks. So they would have to be paired, because it wouldn't make any sense for me to compare my time opening the right-handed one to so-and-so's time opening the left-handed one. That doesn't make any sense to do that.
Yes. You still don't get it, Donna?
Pardon?
I said you still don't understand.
Whichever one you guys decide. So, paired sample t-test, is that right?
Yes, that's what I think.
We will find out, won't we? What do you think, Emily?
Sounds fine with me. I have no idea what to do. I'm sure when I did it, I had a reason why, but.
So we're on number 6, right?
Yes.
This one I couldn't figure out because there are 6 properties and then 2 appraisers who value those 6 properties. Chai test and Nova test aren't an option. So is it 1? Since we're talking about money here, it's quantitative, right?
So they're comparing 2
with 6 properties.
Wouldn't that be a paired samples also?
I was thinking I'll paired sample confident.
Well, it's not a proportion, and it's not one sample. So it's between paired and independent. But I would think they would want to compare the same property between the two. So that would be. So like if they put property A, they are comparing it to the same property A, but just 2 different people. Appraised, right?
So they've got 6 properties.
Are they looking for the differences though? The 2 evaluations?
No, they just want to see that they're consistent.
Then it's not paired, it's independent.
What did you just say?
It's not paired, it would be independent, because if they're not looking for the differences, then they're just looking for a 2 sample t-test of variable 1 and variable 2.
Okay.
So two sample t-test. Because if it was a paired sample t-test, then there would be a differences column. But since they're not looking for
Maybe they are. They just don't say that they are, but maybe
I know
they
exactly, which is why I asked. I'm like, I'm not positive.
like, okay, so yeah, because I guess they're going to want to see how different they are. So they are going to be comparing the differences because they're wanting to make sure that they're both the same or close to the same. So they're going to be comparing how close they are to the same. So they would need to know what the differences are between those properties. Like, what is the difference between what did person A get on this same property as per, you know, compared to person B? So we would need to know the difference to know how they compare.
I guess that is true if we are comparing. And that would be a paired sample.
Right. I think I have something in my notes too about that. Let me go back to my notes about that. Where is my notes? Yeah, and it will have this in the matched pairs, it will have the same number in each sample. So each sample will have 6.
Okay. I like those odds. Paired samples, it is.
Right. Okay. Okay, let's see. 7. I would say confidence interval for 2 proportions.
That's what I was gonna say. If that percentage thing is correct and it means it's always categorical, that would be my guess.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Whoever has time to check the filling of a regular Oreo, double stuffed.
That's what we should have done for ours.
Right? They obviously don't have enough things to do in their life.
I'm going to say this is a 1 sample t-test because we don't know, it doesn't give the sigma. So it's t-test, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
If sigma is unknown, it's a t-test.
Which one? Following best defense that
One is A.
yeah, the probability of a type 1 error.
Yeah.
Oh, is that A or B?
That's B. That's what I put the type 1.
Yeah, it's the probability of a type 1 error for significance level. Let's see, 10. P-value is going to be the probability of observing a sample statistic.
Right. So I put.
You've had those 2 questions before.
Mm-hmm, like numerous times.
Yeah, so we better get them right.
Right. 95% of all the 95% confidence intervals actually contain the true mean. So B.
Are we on 11 or 10? I've only
That
got,
was 11.
Well, we're now, well, yeah, we just did 11, so now we're on 12.
okay, hold on. Let me catch up here. 10 was C,
Mm-hmm.
and then 11 was
B.
B. B as in boy.
B as in boy.
Got it. Thank you very much.
So our mean is just 30.
Yeah, it's just going to be 0.30. Oh, crud, I forgot how to do this. Standard deviation. Where's my notes at?
My notes are totally down below my bed. I'm not gonna get them, guys.
This is the standard deviation of the distribution of the. Okay, so this is this chapter.
I think this is the standard deviation. P equals the square root. And I think this is 0.30 times 1 minus 0.30 divided by 100, I think.
Yeah, it's going to be 1 minus 0.30 over
Wait.
the square root of it's all.
Say it one more time.
So
well, the square root of, go ahead, Kara.
P equals the square root of P parentheses 1, or no, so 0.30, because P is our mean, so 0.30 parentheses 1 minus 0.30.
Oh, over n. Okay, I found it.
And then over 100, because that's our random sample.
Okay, so 1 minus 0.30 equals.
Sorry, Donna, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
Oh, no, we're just echoing and we're good.
Equals, and then square root. I got 0.046.
Hold on.
That's what I've got.
0.046, yeah.
And number 14 is the one I asked Sister Withers during the review, because I never make this work. So she was, it helped a lot, but I'm still trying to differentiate value and mean. Which one comes first? Or gets,
Okay, well, I have written down in my notes that the sample, the proposed sample value come and then minus the mean. So the mean we have of 0.30 and our proposed is 0.25. So
it's 0.30 minus 0.25.
see, that's where we're getting, that's where it's confusing.
Why is it that way? I have it written down that the sample value proportion, which is the 0.25 minus the mean proportion, which in this case is 0.30. So I have it exactly opposite. 0.25 minus 0.30, but I could be wrong. You know, I've been wrong lots of times before.
Hold on, let me get my note up here.
Okay, I also have it written as p hat minus p. Okay,
that's right. So, it is p hat minus p.
So, and p hat was x divided by n. Okay, I've just made myself even more confused because now I don't know which one is the p hat and which one is the p. Is the 2.5 the p hat?
I think 0.25 is the p hat. I'm going to do the calculation to see if it gives us a number.
I did both ways, so, and I didn't get any of the answers in here. So whatever.
That's not good.
0.25 minus 0.30 equals.
The P is the mean.
Yes.
That's from my notes from Sister Withers. And so the P hat would be the sample of the, that's how she worded it, the sample of the something.
Right, so that's what they're saying. We will have a sample proportion. So they're suggesting this sample, this p hat What is the probability of getting this p hat? Is that what they're asking? I don't even know. I don't understand this.
Is there a negative 1.091 answer, Donna?
There is a 0.1, sorry. Yeah. There's a 0.138. There's a 0.124. There's a 0.876 and 0.862.
Okay.
None of those.
I'm going to try it the opposite way then.
What number you guys are?
Equal times 0.3 equals
No, I keep getting a 1.09.
Go down and get some.
100 equals square root. Okay. So on the bottom is going to be
It's still going to be our mean.
0, 4, 5, 8. Okay, that's on the bottom. And then on the top, it's going to be 0.25 minus 0.30 equals divided by
Oh,
Wait,
wait, unless
0,
you put this in
4,
the probability applet.
5, 8. Yeah, that's what you have. This is just giving you the z-score, and then you have to put it in the probability applet.
Oh my gosh, I feel so
Oh,
bad. That was totally.
I got negative 1.09.
1.09, right?
Right. Okay. Yeah. And then it's got to go in the probability applet. And then what is it? Did it say less than or greater than? Less than. So is that to the left?
That is to the left.
Okay.
aha. Probability applet then.
Oh my goodness, we're so silly.
Okay, so you have to take, and then
So I have a 0.862.
point.
Was that one of the answers?
There is a 0.862.
Woo! That's what it is.
0. Wait. 0. Wait. What was it? It's negative 1.09. I've got too many numbers written on my page.
1.091. And then you shade the middle as well as the left.
You do? Why?
Because I don't know. That's just how they were telling me how to do it in the book.
But you want to know if it's going to be less than that. So why would we do the middle and the left?
Where the
Well,
heck?
it says, what is the probability that your random sample of 100 adults will have the same proportion less than? So you shade the left and not the other two.
Just the left. It's a probability of 0.1376.
That rounded up is 0.138.
Oh,
Is that an
That's
answer?
A.
maybe we do like that one more.
Okay, so 0.138. That's the answer that we're going with?
Yep.
Wait, what number is this that we're on?
I'm thinking that's number 14, but you guys
Okay.
kind of lost me.
Yes.
Okay, 0.138.
0.138 is one of your 4 choices in the prep thing.
Okay, good. I dig it.
And thank you for saying that probability thing. That makes all the difference.
Okay, let's see. Use the following information to answer.
And they didn't have this in the whatchamacallit.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is going to be that one where we have to put it in the Excel sheet in the, which one was that called?
Proportional. Let's see. Called
Yeah, the 2 proportions one.
categorical.
Okay, I got for the upper and lower, I got the 0.029 for upper and a negative 0.003 for the lower.
That is also what I got. And I just did the margin of error, the 0.029 minus 0.003 divided by 2, and got 0.016. So that would be 15. 0.016.
And then what was the lower bound?
Lower was negative 0.003. And for the upper, 0.029.
Awesome. Y'all were a quarter of the way through.
Yeah. That actually didn't sound very uplifting.
What was number
Only a
15?
quarter.
What was 15 again?
15, 0.016. And I'm going to say that 18 is A.
That's what I have down.
For some reason, let's see. Let me just check something out here. So it should be the is not equal.
Yeah.
Null or the alternative hypothesis.
Should be
Yeah.
not equal.
This
The
is
null is-
always the same, right? For this one, for this type of test? The null and alternative.
That's a good question.
She was saying something about it on the review, but she talks really fast, and I was like, oh
He was
boy.
zipping through, that's for sure. Yeah, nobody can read my notes, including me.
I stopped. I was like, well, that can't take notes on this right now.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's okay. I'll go back and look at it later. I just was going to make a note if it was the same, but I don't know that for sure. So I won't.
Okay.
For 19, I got 1.458.
Me too. And the p-value, I got 0.145.
0.145.
So we failed to reject the null. Wait, what are we doing? Hold on.
It's a little trickier here.
Yeah.
Swapping it. I think it's
Yeah.
no, I fail to reject the.
Oh, really? I bet yes, I failed.
Failed to reject it. So yes, it's failed to reject it, right?
Wait.
You
hold
have to
on.
read the question. Is there sufficient evidence? And you say no, I failed to reject.
No.
Yes,
Right.
because
No,
our-
I failed to
not
reject.
sufficient evidence because our p value is less or is more than our level of significance.
There's not sufficient evidence.
So
no,
no.
failed to reject the null. I have that it's, what is this, D or E, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F. I picked F.
Yeah,
The
I
very
have to
last
read
one.
that twice.
Yeah, I'm confused on that
no,
one. I bet
I
yes.
failed to reject no. Okay, I'm just I did not understand what this was asking me.
Yeah, they made it a little different that time.
Yeah, they're putting the question that usually is the conclusion after rejection, so you have to read it kind of backwards.
Right.
Right. Okay.
No. Okay. All right, person. So this is going to be that chi-square thing, right?
Yes.
Chi-square.
Yeah, okay, chi-square.
I too.
Okay, let me pull up that one. Okay, now I gotta put all this stuff in.
Okay. Let's see if I'm right. 0.658.
No, I'm still typing.
Yes, so my.
Me too. Give me one
Hold on.
second.
Okay.
Mine, ugh,
I got 6.579.
mine didn't calculate. So
Round
I
third.
something. 1, 2, 3, 4. What did I do wrong? It says my formula is wrong. How do I delete? Much better. That's better. 6.579, is that what you got?
Yes.
And then you need to round it to the third place.
That's, yeah, I did. That's after I rounded 6.579.
But you got to round the 9 up because that's 4 places over. 0.658.
Right,
Round-
and then the next one is 9, so you round the 8 up to a 9.
I'm trying to keep it at three decimal places instead of 4.
We only have 3 decimal places.
Yeah.
I've got 0.65, then you have 79.
Yeah, there's 7, 9 right there.
Yeah.
That's 4 decimal points.
Oh, that's only
Oh,
3.
that's only
decimal
3.
It's 4
Six.
numbers, but the
Six.
5, 7, 9 come after the point. So it's only 3 decimals.
Okay, because they've got it on 2 different spots and I got a different answer. Thank you so much.
What is the answer on the homework?
Well, you've got the 4 choices and you have 6.58, then 0.658, then 9.76, then 0.097.
Oh boy.
So that's why when I did it, I got the 0.658.
Well, I can see where you would round that up, but yeah, no, if there's 3 decimal places.
I put them all in and it's coming up with 6.579.
Yep.
Okay. That's close to the 6.580.
That's weird that she wouldn't give a 3 decimal place answer on that, because on all of our tests it says round to the 3rd decimal place unless otherwise noted.
Mm-hmm.
And it hasn't
She
been
says
otherwise noted.
6.580 is what she's got.
Oh, well, I'm gonna leave it this way.
Okay.
Because that is exactly like verbatim what the thing spit out at me. So I don't want to
Sure.
round when I'm not supposed to.
And you know what? The answer sheet could be wrong. So for that number 22, you got 6.578.
9, 7, 9.
Thank you.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. I want to make sure I watch that.
I don't know what you're saying.
All right, this one we do reject the null because our p-value is less than our test statistic.
What
Did you guys get 0.087?
Yes.
Okay.
0.087, what you said?
0.087.
Okay, I just missed it. Oh, okay.
That's rounded, right?
Yeah.
Yep. I'm saying no, the p-value is greater than 0.05.
Oh, because it is. My bad.
These are the ones I'm not good at. Do we have sufficient evidence or we have insufficient evidence?
We have insufficient evidence.
Yeah, we have insufficient evidence that it is not independent.
Of age.
So D.
Okay.
Why is it not saving my answer?
I know mine's doing the
That's
same
worrying.
thing.
Okay, 8.
It's just picking and choosing what it wants to save.
Oh, Donna, that was one of your questions, 24.
Yes, that's the one I do not actually. Yeah, 24. But what's 20? Let's see. Okay, there. Okay. The lower bound is, I got 0.190.
What test did
Oh.
you use for this?
Let's see. I used lesson 17, which is the one proportion inference. That's what I used.
Okay.
And maybe that's what's off with my 24. Maybe that's the problem. So maybe, yeah.
Okay, wait, hold on. I got 0.190.
So did you use the, let's see, the one proportion inference? What, well, whatever that category.
One sample Z test.
Oh, hold on. Dang it. Give me a second. I just accidentally closed it. I closed the wrong one. I was trying to close the quantitative one so I could look at it. Oh, now I gotta go open it back up again. Bookmarks, Excel, tools, categorical. Editing.
I got 0.190.
That's what I got.
Yeah.
Upper is 0.310.
And lower was 1.90. 1.90.
Oh my gosh, why can I not open the right things?
I think it's 0.190 for the lower.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what I get, 0.190.
Yeah.
And I'm totally lost. I cannot find the quiz now. Did I accidentally close that too?
Suppose you had been charged with designing a study what sample size would be needed to construct the margin for 2% with
Like that. We'll see.
No.
Oh my gosh, I did close the quiz.
Oh,
I really hate having to have so many tabs open.
Oh my gosh, for real. My computer gets so slow because I have so many things open.
Okay. Continue quiz. All right, now I'm back in the quiz. Now let me put the stuff back in the thing. Wait, what number was that?
6.
26 and 27 are lower and upper.
Okay. 20. Here we are. Okay. So it was 50 of 100. Yes, lower bound 0.190, upper bound 0.310. right?
Yeah,
Yep.
but what's 28?
Yeah, I couldn't come up with anything close to what they've got for
So
choice.
design and study what sample size. Oh, that's where you have to do the sample size.
What?
I thought the formula for that was
Formula.
n equals the z thing divided by m squared times p times 1 minus p. But I could be dead wrong on that.
Oh, that sounds familiar.
I'll be right back. Okay, guys, hold on.
Okay.
People are frozen.
Like a second.
Yes, that's what I have. I have n equals z star over m squared times p times 1 minus p, right? So z star, let me put all these in. P is going to be point. Oh, and see, they gave us a P star, and I have a note on here. It says, or P star. Okay. So P star 1 minus 2. And 1.960 for Z star, right? That's going to be 0.16. Oh, and the margin of error that they want is 2%. So that's what the M is going to be, 0.02. Okay, I got 1.537.
The lowest out of the choices, the lowest one was 16.
Oh,
They're all
I got-
round numbers, whole numbers. That just doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, I got 1.537 when I did it.
I'm willing to go
If
with
it's all
that.
whole numbers. Oh, wait, sample size. It would be a whole number, wouldn't it? I wonder if I wrote that down wrong when I was transcribing. Hold on, let me do it again. One, two. One. Oh yeah. Sorry guys, that's a comma I was supposed to write down. I got 1,537.
Okay, I'm about to say, because I was just redoing my math. I'm like, that's what I didn't get a point anything. Okay.
I just, when I went to go write down what I got, I wrote down a comma and it just looked like a period. When I went to go put it in.
And that is there. That is there. That's B. So there you go.
Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. I think this one is A, B, C, D, E.
Yep.
E like elephant or Edward or whatever.
Second.
Echo. Yeah. This one is going to be A. P-hop is normally distributed. $31. Oh, let me actually construct it now. Greater than, wait.
All right, y'all, what number are we on now?
31.
31, okay.
I'm trying to set up this confidence interval. Okay, so it's greater than 0.2. Greater than 0.2. All right, I got 1.768.
Yep. That's what I got.
And for the p-value, I got 0.039. Is there sufficient evidence? Yes, we rejected the null. Yes. Yes, I rejected the null.
A.
A, yes, alpha. This following information to answer the next 6 questions. Oh, so we're going to need the quantitative inference one for this. Open in a new tab. Ah, I just opened the wrong one. No, I didn't. This is going to be close. This is going to be the t-test, right? One
Is
sample.
this not equal to? And yes, it's the t-test. Is this greater than or not equal to?
Hold on.
It says differs from another.
That means not equal to.
Okay.
Different is not equal to.
Okay. So the lower bound is 0.282 and the upper is 0.293.
Yes.
Do the degrees of freedom real quick.
It is 99.
$99 is our degrees of freedom.
Yeah.
How did you get that?
The degrees of freedom, it says on there, DF equals 99.
Yeah, 99.00.
Oh,
Right.
my bad. I was looking for the margin of error. Sorry.
No,
Don't
that
you
one
love
we can
Make
calculate.
the problem more difficult than it needs to be.
Okay, my test just froze. I can't,
Mine's been doing that too.
Issue tonight.
okay.
My test statistic is really high. Is yours?
How did you unfreeze it?
Just
I just
refresh.
had to
As
wait.
long as your answers are saved, you should be fine.
I just can't move at all. I can't go up and down or,
Oh, then you might have to go out and go back in.
okay. Now I'm back. All righty.
Honey.
Okay, let me.
And the test statistic for 37,
I got negative 2.803. You have to change that number in the null hypothesis to the 0.295.
right. Yeah, that makes a difference.
Okay, so negative 2.803.
Yeah, negative 2.803.
I would say that makes a big difference. That's not anything like what I had.
And for the p-value, I have 0.006.
Okay, so that's as far as we need to go then. Okay.
I would say we have sufficient evidence to say that the true mean is different. I would say A, alpha.
Oh boy.
Another one. Yay. Let's see what I need to open up for this.
We're in the home stretch though.
Yeah. Yeah, because it says next 6 questions. That means that's the rest of the test.
Yep.
So it'd be
Oh my gosh, we've done this one before.
This one is going to be the differences. That's going to be the paired sample differences.
You're right. I
Because
remember.
it's their heights. Yeah.
I thought the blue one sounded familiar too, though.
Yeah. The blue one
Yeah.
we did also. Mm-hmm. Sample t-test. Okay, I got 8.728.
For the lower bound.
Yeah.
10.455.
Wait, I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Point what?
For upper.
Upper is 10.455.
And then what was lower? 8 point.
Lower with 8.728.
I had put it in the other way.
But for the test statistic, I have 22.446.
Yep.
And a 40 for the degrees of freedom. And I'm going to guess that p-value is 0.000.
Sounds good.
Is there enough evidence? Yes, there's enough evidence because we rejected the null. Yes, because we rejected the null. I'm going to go Charlie on that one.
Sounds good. Okay, before y'all submit, I need question like 28.
Okay.
But let me get back up to it to make sure that's the one I need.
We rejected the null or we failed to reject the null? Tell me what that rule is again. I can't think of it right now.
We reject the null because it's less than the p-value. Or
When the p-value is low, you reject the null.
Okay.
That's why. Oh, my bad.
And the p-value is higher, we fail to reject the null.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
So Kira, 28 is 1537.
You guys want me to submit mine real quick so we can see what we got wrong?
Yes.
0.1537?
Because I'm super nervous about the first, like, 10 questions.
Okay, 28 is 1537.
Like 1,000?
What, you believe we got 100%?
We did?
1537.
537.
I'm a little shocked right now.
We did
Okay.
get 100? Seriously?
Yeah, I got 43 out of 43.
And then what was 29?
Let's see. Let's see.
Yes.
Oops, I need to get down to 29. Okay, 29
So this chart works.
is
Go print it out.
I
E.
got that chart.
Was what?
29 is E as an elephant.
Okay.
Need any more?
Hold on.
Okay.
Oops. Yes, I need 30.
30. Let's see. 30 is A.
Okay.
Greater than 10, greater than 10.
Excellent. All right, and I think I have 31. I do. Okay, so that's all I needed.
Great.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Guys, I'm pretty sure I have a fever.
Oh, no.
I know.
I'm right there with you. Time for bed.
Yeah. Did we really get on
Good luck, ladies.
insane?
Yes. Good luck on your exam.
Yes, lady.
Good job, guys.
Hope you feel better.
Next week.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, wait,
It
so we
will-
don't have to meet on Thursday, right?
No.
We don't have to meet at all. We don't have anything else this week. Just the exam due Wednesday.
Okay.
All right. I like that. All right. Good night, everyone.
Bye, guys.
Good luck, guys.